Okay.
Yes, hello, Marin. I'm called back again. Is clear my phone?
Sorry?
Is clear? You can hear me now?
Is it Sid?
No. I'm telling you just now. I'm forget my cat on shelf.
You forgotten what?
My cat on shelf. I'm forget. Is that Rouse Blackman?
It's not. You're not coming through properly.
Yes. I'm knows my phone dead. Yeah.
Hang on a minute. It's putting a time on your announcement out. Right, go on, Fred.
Yes, I'm telling you. I'm forget my cat on shelf.
Just for the last bit.
Shelf.
Shelf.
Yes, I'm forget my cat on shelf.
I can't tell what you're on about.
Yes, I'm no, I can't believe it. Yes, I'm forget my cat in the shelf. Did you believe it?
Shelf.
Yes, I can't know. You can know.
Are you not in tonight?
Nah, I'll come just now here and check you out. If I'm like you know.
Do you want to put you through to Richie?
No. I'll come just now here to check you now, okay?
Yeah, whatever.
If you like my English now, I'm take tuition.
I haven't a clue what you're on about, Sid.
Yes, I love you so much.
Are you acting go?
Maybe I'm touch you a bit, yeah.
Are you in tomorrow?
Yes, I'm in every day. Can't believe it, I can't believe
You
it.
can explain that to me.
I come tomorrow. I touch you a bit and you feel nice.
I haven't a clue what you're on about.
But I'm forgetting my cat and shelf, eh?
I got to forget a bit, but what was it?
Is I'm forget my cat and shelf.
No, it's not coming through. Spell it for me.
Cat, you know my pussy cat. Forgetting shelf.
Cat.
Yes, I'm forgetting my cat in shelf.
Where have you left it?
I'm 24.
In store.
Yes, I'm 24.
What customer service desk have it?
Yes, I'm like to come and take ice cream with you now. You like it?
Just come in tomorrow and tell me.
Yes, I'm no problem. I'm come just now with you and I'll tell you everything. I'm catch you a bit outside there. Is sunny now.
I'm sorry, Sid. I'm having a clue.
Yes, I can't believe you're saying I'm Sid all the time.
You keep breaking up as well.
Yes, I'm very far right now. Just near you there right now.
What's near me?